Welcome to E3 Tech, the place where cybersecurity meets real stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're into tech with brains. Now, let's get into it. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. No illegal activity is encouraged. Topics discussed raise awareness about cybersecurity and digital safety. We encourage ethical hacking and responsible behavior. Viewer discretion is advised. Hello E3 Tech family. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into what does it mean to live in a digital world on the brink. In this video, we'll explore how digital trust shapes our lives, the threats we face, and what the future holds. Our world runs on digital trust secured not by promises, but by math. Every online transaction, private message, and government secret relies on cryptographic algorithms. For decades, these digital walls have seemed unbreakable, enabling global connectivity and commerce. But a new threat is emerging: quantum computers. Unlike anything before, quantum machines could break our encryption in minutes, exposing everything we thought was private. This isn't science fiction, it's a looming reality. Adversaries are already harvesting encrypted data, waiting for the day quantum computers can unlock it. The data you think is safe today may already be compromised, its secrecy only temporary. The countdown to a quantum-powered breach has begun. The urgency to act is now before our digital world is laid bare. To grasp the threat, we must understand quantum computing. Classical computers use bits, zeros or ones, to process information. Quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at once, thanks to superposition. This lets them explore countless possibilities simultaneously, not one by one. Entanglement links qubits, allowing them to work together in ways classical computers can't match. Quantum computers aren't just faster, they're fundamentally different. Imagine solving a maze classical computers try every path. Quantum computers see all paths at once. For most tasks, this power isn't needed, but for breaking encryption, it's a game changer. Quantum computing turns impossible problems into solvable ones, and that changes everything for digital security. Today's internet security relies on public key cryptography, like RSA and ECC. You have a public key to share and a private key to keep secret. The math makes it easy to lock data, but nearly impossible to unlock without the private key. For RSA, this means factoring huge numbers, a task classical computers can't do in a reasonable time. But in 1994, Peter Shor invented a quantum algorithm that cracks this code with ease. A powerful quantum computer running Shor's algorithm could break RSA and ECC in hours. The digital fortress we trust would crumble overnight. Everything from financial systems to national secrets would be exposed. The foundation of digital trust would vanish in an instant. The race to build a fault-tolerant quantum computer is global and fierce. Tech giants and governments are investing billions, chasing the power to break modern encryption. The challenge: building enough stable qubits and controlling quantum errors. Progress is rapid. Machines with hundreds of qubits already exist. But true power comes with error correction and scale. Experts debate the timeline, 5 years, 10 or more, but the trajectory is clear. The harvest now, decrypt later threat means sensitive data is already at risk. The first nation to build a large-scale quantum computer will have unprecedented power. We're in a dangerous transition, racing to defend against a weapon that's almost here. By the time quantum computers arrive, it may be too late to start building defenses. The time to prepare is now. The cryptographic community is fighting back with post-quantum cryptography. These new algorithms are designed to withstand both classical and quantum attacks. They're built on hard mathematical problems, like lattices and codes, not easily broken by quantum computers. NIST is leading the global effort to standardize these new systems. After years of testing, the first post-quantum algorithms are being adopted. Diversity is key. Multiple approaches mean more resilience if one is broken. Transitioning will require updating nearly every secure device and system worldwide. It's a massive, years-long effort, but essential for future security. Post-quantum cryptography is our best defense against the quantum threat. The work to deploy it must begin immediately. The quantum threat demands action, now. Organizations must achieve crypto agility systems that can quickly adopt new encryption standards. Inventory your cryptographic systems and plan for upgrades. Individuals should use multi-factor authentication and keep devices updated. Choose services committed to quantum-safe security. Support companies preparing for the quantum future. As post-quantum tools roll out, use them for your most sensitive data. Stay informed and advocate for security in your community. The quantum age brings both risk and opportunity. By preparing today, we can secure our digital future for generations to come.